So we are here at the entrance of the Giga factory. It is massive, truly insane. Look at this. Wow. Here's the entrance of it right here. We're about to head in. Cybertruck. Look at this. We're currently on a tour of the factory.
Text you?
Look at this in motion. Insane. So now we're headed this way. Pretty amazing. There's a Cybertruck right there. Look how much we've walked, and there's still a whole bunch left. This factory is enormous. So it shows step by step, like slowly the Cybertruck coming along. So at first you saw the entire Cybertruck was kind of like that. Now they're slowly adding on the frame and the body panels as we move along on the tour. See, here's another step of it. And just for scale, look. Insane. Here it is. All right. Check this out. A cyber go-kart. So cool. Just look at how massive these wheels are. Holy moly. Up close, the Cybertruck is truly something different. A lot of people have said that, the pictures don't do it justice. That's true. This is something else in person. Absolutely unbelievable. Look at this. This is amazing. There's that steering wheel right there. Wow. And we're still on tour right now. Just walking down the factory. The factory's massive. Here's a Cybertruck just spinning right there. All right, there's the end right there. It's in sight. Check this out. Along each little checkpoint sort of thing, there's like a Cybertruck. I think I've seen probably, a few dozen so far. They're just everywhere, probably even more. Like there's some in the corners over there. You can see, so we're making our way to the end. I think that's the finalized, showing after each step by step of the production line. Let's see what it is. Here are the finished Cybertrucks right here. Wow. Let me loop around real quick. Right here. All right, look at that. Finished product right there. I think that's a stage where they're gonna hold it live. Up close on a Cybertruck right now. This is insane. Look at this. Wow. Let's take a look at the inside. Can't really see anything because of the reflections, but look at this whole line right here. I'm assuming these might be the ones for today's delivery event, because I know they're delivering, I believe, 20 today. And I think all 20 are going to Tesla employees. Check this out right here. Cybertruck, so close to it right now. Look at this. Wow. This is some other beast in person. The pictures do not do it justice at all. Look at his side profile. Absolutely menacing. So yeah, right now we just finished up the tour. The event is going to be right over there. There's like a stage sort of thing over there. There's like a light tunnel right here, and that's where they're going to host the event. And yeah, look at this. Insane.
So once in a while, once in a long while, a product comes along that is rare. That is once every 5 to 10 years, something really special, a really unusual product comes along. And we'll remember those special moments when, indeed. But these things are rare. It's very rare that a product comes along that is seemingly impossible. First of all, let's, they talk about how, trucks are tough. That's one of the defining characteristics of a truck. So how tough is this truck? Let's find out.
Clear.
Cybertruck delivery event just ended. Everyone was just checking out the display Cybertrucks. It was a crazy event going on. It's amazing. There's another Cybertruck right there. Yeah, look at the turnout. All these people. It was a great event. Saw Elon live. I would say my favorite part was when they did a head-to-head with a Porsche 911. So it beat it in a head-to-head 0 to 60 race, or quarter-mile race, but also did it while towing another Porsche 911 at the same time, which is absolutely mind-boggling. Great event. It's everyone over there. Hey guys, I'm here with Jerry Rig Everything. What did you think about the event?
The cinematography of the event was fantastic. The data that we received from the event was less than fantastic.
Yeah, what was your favorite part of the whole entire event as a whole?
Oh man, when they were pulling the 911 and you see the Cybertruck winning and you're like, all right, cool, that's kind of fine. But then you see that it's actually towing a 911. Elon timed that so perfectly.
It was great.
Yeah.
All right guys, Jerry Rig Everything. I'll see you guys later. I want to get your thoughts since you have the Porsche GT3 RS.
Yeah.
You saw that how they were towing a 911, and they kind of beat the 911. What do you think about that?
So it beat, I don't know what version of the 911 it was, but it wouldn't beat the GT3 RS over a sunny quarter mile when it wasn't towing something. I don't think, but if they want to race me in my car and send a Cybertruck over to the UK, then I'll be more than up for that. Yeah, because it does about 10.9, 10.8, the 3 RS if you have it on a prep surface. Yeah. And so it's going to be tight with that Cybertruck. It'll be interesting.
Yeah. As soon as they showed off the just the 911, I was like, Matt Watson's got to get on this with his GT3 RS. I was like, he's got to get on it. But
we'll try and make it happen.
All right. Here's a Cybertruck out in the sun. It looks absolutely amazing. Look at this. Right over there, we have a matte black Cybertruck. In person and in the sun, the matte black looks.
Hello, Rich.
I'm at the Cybertruck Afterparty, and Franz just pulled up.
It's amazing. Thank you, I guess, for coming out and just believing in us and supporting us and working on this project. It's super exciting to finally see it on the road.
All right, now we have Zach and Jesse from Now You Know, and Farzad Misbahan. All right, so now it's the day after the Cybertruck delivery event. Yesterday was a great experience. It was fantastic. From the Cybertruck delivery itself to the after party, met plenty of great people. Everyone was excited. Everyone is hyped for the Cybertruck. And I think the biggest shocker for everyone was obviously the updated pricing. Now the Cybertruck, the tri-motor starts at $100,000 and has 340 miles of range. Initially, it was supposed to start at $69,000 and it would have had 500 miles of range. But I guess it's kind of expected for the price to go up a little over 4 years, but not as this much as it has actually gone up. And the entry-level variant starts at $61,000 now, and initially it was supposed to start at $39,000. So overall, it was a bit of a shocker for a lot of people, but obviously, you know, Tesla, they're gonna have the demand there. There's a reason why they have that pricing in place, and they could always drop the prices like how they have done for the other models in the past. And I believe this Model S Plaid initially started at $140,000. Now it's around $100,000 start price. So Tesla may very well drop the prices in the future. And I think they're gonna take advantage of this pent-up demand for the Cybertruck right now, because everyone's been waiting 4 years for it. There are plenty of people that'll pay the $100,000 sticker price for the tri-motor variants. So overall, I think my personal prediction is the pricing might go down, but maybe not anytime soon. Maybe towards the middle to end of 2024, perhaps even 2025, to see how things go. And again, they have 1.5 to 2 million reservations, but obviously not all of those will become deliveries because it's just a $100 deposit. And many people, when they see the new updated pricing, they may just completely back out of their reservation and just get the refund for the $100. But I'm excited to see what happens and how they're gonna essentially roll out the deliveries as a whole. I wonder what their production rate's gonna be. I believe they hinted around 100 to 150,000 per year starting off. So that'll be a good baseline for them. And I think Elon might be sandbagging because in the past, he did have some optimistic delivery numbers and he may have like missed them by a few, and then Wall Street, you know, got mad or whatever, and then the stock price kind of took a little hit. And I think he might be sandbagging because yesterday at the event, I have to say there were so many Cybertrucks in the production line. It looks like they know what they're doing with a Cybertruck, and I think they have a pretty good starting point of deliveries as well. So he could be sandbagging and just under reporting the numbers, and then once the actual deliveries come in place, he'll beat all the estimates, and and I think it might, you know, just shoot the stock price up. But only time will tell. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm headed back to Nashville now, so drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you think of the Cybertruck delivery event. Peace out.